about the class 7 general knowledge lesson 16 Wonder Woman. In this chapter we have studied about the great woman person, but before that we discuss about the homework those are given in previous online class. First is the homework. As you know that I have given homework on 16th July, lesson 12, Indian ports. Homework is where are the following famous forts located? So now I'm solving one by one. First, Mehrangarh Fort situated in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Gwalior Fort situated in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Golconda Fort situated in Hyderabad, Telangana. Fourth, Jaisalmer Fort situated in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Chittorgarh Fort situated in Chittor, Rajasthan. Chittorgarh Fort situated in Chittor, Rajasthan. Sindhudurg Fort situated in Malwa, Maharashtra. You have write this homework in copy in proper way and learn also. And I remind again, please in comment box you have write name, class and section. This is a very important for the attendance. And I remind again, please. In this chapter, we have studied about the different great persons like Deepa Kamarkar, Punita Arora, Divya Shorya Devara, Kiran Desai, Sushmita Sen, Indira Gandhi. See one by one. According to CBSE rule, you know that syllabus reduced about 30%. So some chapters are reduced. As you know that I have explained the topic lesson 12, and after lesson 12, lesson 13, 14 and 15 reduced due to syllabus cut. So next lesson is lesson 16, Wonder Woman. Don't confuse about the syllabus. Okay. First, Deepa Karamkar. Deepa Karamkar, you know that a great gymnastic. Deepa Karamkar first gained attend she when she won the bronze medal at 2014 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, becoming the first Indian female gymnast to do so in the history of the Games. She also won the bronze medal at the Asian Gymnastics Championship and finished fifth at the 2012 World Artistic Gymnastics Championship, both firsts for her country. She stood at the fourth position in gymnastics at the 2012 Summer Olympics in Brazil. Now next, a great person is Punita Arora. She became the first female army personnel to the designated as the Lieutenant General of the Indian Army and also be ranked as the first female Vice Admiral of the Indian Naval Forces, Sunita Arora. Next said great person is Divya Surya Devra, and she became the first woman to be appointed as the Chief Financial Officer and also Executive Vice President of General Motors. She born in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and Surya Devra started his career at the Prince Waterhouse Choppers while attending the University of Madras. She joined the General Motors in 2004, and in 2013 she was appointed as the CEO and Chief Investment Officer of General Motors Asset Management. In 2014, she accepted a role of Vice President of Finance and Treasurer. In 2017, she became Vice President of Corporate Finance at General Motors. Next one, a great woman person is Kiran Desai. She is an Indian-born American author and is famous for her book, The Inheritance of Loss, which won the 2006 Man Booker Prize as well as 2006 National Books Critics Circle Award. She born on 3 September 1971 and Kiran Desai is the daughter of Anita Desai, herself shortlisted for the Booker Prize on 3 occasions. She born in Delhi, then spent the early year in the life Pune and Mumbai. She studied in the Cathedral and John Cannon School. She left India at 14 and her mother then lived in England for a year and then moved to United States where she studied creative writing at Buckinghamshire College, Olin University and Columbia University. Next great person is Susmita Sen, a great woman wonder. She is a famous Bollywood actress model who became the first Indian to win the Miss Universe title in 1994. She was 18 then. She has starred in many blockbuster movies. Next one is a great person, Indira Gandhi. She was the first woman Prime Minister of India and also the first woman to be awarded the Bharat. Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi born was an Indian politician and a central figure of the Indian National Congress. She was the first and to date only female Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was a daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru and the first Prime Minister of India. She served as the Prime Minister from January 1966 to March 1977 and again on January 1980 until her assassination in October 1984, making her second largest serving Indian Prime Minister after her father. Read this lesson in proper way and also understand in proper way and now see the homework. Now write homework of lesson 16 Wonder Woman dated 21 July. Name the following. This famous Indian artist gymnast became the first ever Indian female gymnast to win a bronze at the 2014 Commonwealth Games. Second, she became the first female army personnel to be the designated assist as the Lieutenant General of the Indian Army. She became the first woman to be appointed as the Chief Financial Officer. Fourth, she is an Indian-born American author and is famous for her book The Inheritance of Loss, which won the 2014 Man Booker Prize. Next, fifth number, she is a famous Bollywood actress and model who became the first Indian to win the Miss Universe title in 1994. And last, she was the first woman Prime Minister of India. You have write this homework in copy and try to solve it. But you know that in next video I will solve. God bless you, and give name, class and section in comment box for your attendance, and be safe, be happy. Thank you.